Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the 11-piece universal compact eyeglasses repair kit. And you say that several times and not get in trouble. And 3 reasons to get this. Number 1, the flathead screwdriver just might be able to prevent problems. Now, had I had this me when my situation occurred and I didn't have one of these handy, a flathead screwdriver would have been able to get the screw pretty much back in its regular threads and I would have never had a lens drop out. Reason to get this number 2. The nose pads and screws that come with this kit can deal with most of the problems. I'm not going to say it's going to deal with everything, but you've got a good chance at being able to deal with most problems. And reason to get this number 3, it comes with a compact carry case. It almost looks like a little vial that will help keep the screwdriver, the screws, the nose pads, everything that's in there together. So just put it in a good place, either in your pocket, your coat, your purse, wherever you're keeping this with you, so that it's ready to go in the unlikely event that you may need it. So take a look at this one and think about getting one today.